Do I have enough money to start an automatic car wash business? If you haven't been asking yourself that question, you are not alone. This is one of the first questions almost every investor asks us. But here's the surprisingly part. The amount of money you invest is not what determines your success. What matters is whether you invest in the right business model from the beginning. Many people assume opening a professional car wash requires a huge facility, dozens of employees, and an enormous budget. The reality is very different. Today, many successful businesses start by adding an automatic car wash to an existing operation, a gas station, an automotive workshop, a dealership, or even a parking facility. Instead of building a business from scratch, they create a new source of revenue from customers they already have. Before thinking about capital, ask yourself three simple questions. Do you already have a location with regular vehicle traffic? Do you have enough space for an automatic wash bay? And are you looking for a business that can generate consistent income with minimal labor? If your answer is yes, you are already much closer than you think. The Go&Go automatic car wash system is designed specifically for commercial operations that want to increase efficiency and reduce labor dependency. The system combines high-pressure rewards, soft-body process that cleans safely without damaging paint, dedicated wheel cleaning process, and optional underbody washing and air drying system. Every wash follows the same automated process, delivering fast, professional, and consistent results that customers can trust. One of the biggest advantages is operational efficiency. Instead of hiring multiple workers to wash vehicles manually, one operator can supervise the entire process while the machine performs the heavy work. Water, electricity, and detergent consumption are carefully controlled, making operating costs predictable and easier to manage. Your investment also goes beyond the machine itself. A successful automatic car wash business includes site preparation, utility, installation, staff training, marketing, and a clear plan for attracting customers. That's why Go&Go works closely with every customer before installation, helping evaluate the location, recommend the right machine configuration, and estimate the business potential based on expected vehicle traffic. The smartest investors don't ask, what's the cheapest machine? They ask, which investment will continue generating revenue for the next 10 years? That is the difference between buying equipment and building a business. If you are considering entering the automatic car wash industry, don't make decisions based only on the initial investment. Consider customer demand, operating efficiency, labor saving, service quality, and long-term profitability. Those are the factors that determine whether your business grows year after year. Contact Go&Go today for a personalized investment consultation. Our team will help you estimate the capital required, recommend the most suitable system for your location, and calculate the potential returns based on your business goal. A better investment starts with better planning, and we are ready to help you take the first step.